Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, there's something that I noticed about Umakwela's reaction when Umusa said ukuthi they must tell Umatsele. That just made me think, hey, Umatsele seems to, or I think she's up for something. Listen, Umatsele has been treating Usamke fairly well, you guys. Actually, not even fairly well. She's been treating her really well. Number one, we get to find out from this episode that Umatsele was allowing uNokuzana uSamke to come to her house to come and visit Umusa while or after he was discharged from the hospital. And then I remembered some comment that Utobile made in a couple of episodes that had passed, ukuthi she met up no Samke kwaMatsele. And I'm just like, Haibo, Umatsele rantunjani. But anyway, it seems like Umatsele has been advocating for Umakwela, right? Now Umusa is telling Umakwela, Umakwela, we need to tell Umamkulu as soon as possible. Umusa's like rushing to tell Umawake, hey, mina no Samke, we are pregnant. But Usamke, she seems a bit put off in a way about how Umusa's rushing this whole thing. And she even says, I don't know what's the rush, why Umusa wants to tell Umamkulu about this thing. But anyway, there's no harm done in him telling her or something like that. That just made me think, you guys, Oguti, when Umatsele watches this episode, could it be that Umatsele is going to feel as if Umakwela is a bit unappreciative or unappreciative, whatever the way you pronounce, whichever way you pronounce it? Could it be that Umatsele is going to feel somehow about it, like to say, Wuti, Oda Makwela, I've been good to you, no be sile behind the other wives. Now when it's time to tell me about the pregnancy, you're a bit hesitant. But that just makes me think, you guys, Wuti, the fact that Umakwela is welcoming Umakwela like that, that doesn't mean Umakwela is bound to be free with Umatsele. And I just have this feeling Umatsele is gonna get a shock of her life, no Makwela, because Umusa keeps saying Umakwela is smart and whatnot, because the vibes that I kind of got was as if Umakwela was saying, I want me and Umusa to share this moment between each other, and then as time progresses, we'll share it no Matsele. And I'm like, sorry girl, this is not the way things are done, Kwamselegu. But I'm just like, I understand, Umakwela, guys. The fact that someone has been nice to you, it doesn't mean you're obliged to share sensitive information and information that you're not ready to share as yet. But I kind of feel like Umusa kind of put Umakwela in a corner to say, because Umamkulu is the one that she's actually one of the reasons why Ilobolo Yako has even been taken out. So why wouldn't you want to share the news with her? I'm just like, Makwela, you're in for it, ma'am. Because yay, like what do you mean, Uguti? Like I am put into a corner to share news that I'm uncomfortable with. But it just gave me vibes, Uguti. Maybe Umatsele and Umakwela are not on the same wavelength. I think Umatsele probably maybe has an expectation ukuthi Umakwela uzomthanda back because of the favor she's been showing her. But I'm not getting those vibes from Umakwela. I could be wrong, you guys, but let's wait and see. But at the end of the day, umfazi nomfazi, you guys, even if we respect one another, no one wants to feeling ngathi basemshadweni and Umamkulu is their mother, which is starting to give those vibes ukuthi Umamkulu is their mother. I mean, if it was not for Umamkulu, would Usamke even be lobolad, or would she even be on the show? We don't know, you guys. But anyway, all I'm gonna say is Mamkulu kaphela lengane. Lengane seems as if she's smart. And yeah, Mamkulu, if you're planning on using Usamke as a weapon, I don't think she's the type of girl that can be used, in all honesty. But anyway, guys, you tell me, did you get those vibes from Usamke when Umusa was so hyped up to share the news with Umamkulu? You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.